Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install and activate ElementsKit Pro license. Click on here, then click on plugins. Now click on add plugin. Search here to install and activate ElementsKit Pro. We need to install and activate this free version. So click on install now. Now click on activate. Look at here, ElementsKit free version is already installed. Now I will download ElementsKit Pro from official website. Now click on here. Download has started. Please wait. Look at here. Download has completed. Now go to my website. Then click on add plugin. Now click on upload plugin. Now select the plugin from here. Go to download section. Okay. Now click on install. Click on activate plugin. Now click on activate license now. Next step, then next step, next step, next step. Please wait. Go to dashboard. Now click on activate license now. Now here we have to paste the license. To get this license, I have copied this domain name and then go to official website. Then click on product license. Then click on manage license. Now enter the domain name here and add domain. Okay. This is the license key for this domain. Now copy this license key and paste here and click on activate. Look at here. Congratulations, your product is activated for this domain. If you need ElementsKit Pro license at low price, check the description box. Thank you very much.